Game launch blocked by the X3D Audio 11 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. Before we dive into the X3D Audio 11 manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is a version-specific DirectX audio library. It provides applications with routines for calculating 3D audio parameters, helping to create an immersive soundscape in older PC gaming titles. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The X3D Audio 11 DLL is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-Input, or X-Audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the X3D Audio 11 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be aware that manual interventions for the X3D Audio 11 DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to the X3D Audio 11. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the X3D Audio 11 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.